Hello everyone. So I've been asked a lot of times to show my perfume collection, and this is what I'm going to do today. I am here. This is my perfect perfume collection. I've got it sort of laid out there. I actually need to clean it. I need to sort of arrange it. So I thought I'll just do that and show it to you at the same time. So yeah, I've casually got this mic here, so don't worry about it. Ignore. We're looking at perfumes today. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, so first of all, this is what the whole, I do have some more perfumes. They are like in my bag or in the car or in another room, just one or two here and there. But this is sort of like the majority of it. So it's my perfumes and also Mum's, and we sort of share. Like the top two is mainly Mum's, and the bottom like 3/4 is mine. So yeah, I'm going to be cleaning this and dusting it and all of that. So I thought I'll show you while I'm doing this. Okay, so I've got my duster ready. And I'm going to start off from my area. I think let's do it row by row. All right, so dusted and cleaned it up and sort of arranged a little bit, but Mum's not at home and this is her spot, so I just kind of kept it. Most of the things are like empty. I don't know why she keeps the empty bottle. Anyway, so just showing a close-up of what she has. So there's Armani C with the body lotion for it. There's a Jo Malone. Got the Tom Ford Black Orchid. This is the EDT. Oh, that's shaking. That's the Burberry. You've got a Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. And then you've got the Armani again. The YSL Libre. We've got Chanel Chance, the pink one. And we've got the Daisy Oh So Fresh. These two are mine, the Jo Malone hair mist. So I've got two here. There's like a little bobblehead thingy of my mum that I got in the US. I like men's perfume, so I've got Versace Oh Fresh. Got a couple of the Victoria's Secret body sprays. I've got one from Bath and Body in the back. This is Mum's again. Well, I use it as well, but mainly Mum's. So, see, that's empty. Like, why do you even have that? I don't know. When she gets home, we'll check. So we've got Armani. We've got a Nika one that we got in India. A Valentino, almost empty. Got Esemeake. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but those two there. Got a Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion. This is kind of like perfume oils, but like of famous scents that we got in India. So there's that. That's the Kali Citrus. There's Paradox by Prada in the back that Mum got. There's a Zara perfume. There's Dunhill Icon, My Way by Armani. There's a Tamdo, I'm not sure what that dupe is, but that's Mum's. Then we've got Armani C. We've got a Lancome Hypnose. She's not opened it. Got Tom Ford Electric Cherry. And there's like perfume oil and a mini YSL Libre. So that's what Mum's got there. The rest of it I bought or either gotten PR or gifts, so they're all down here. but obviously Mum and I share, so she uses them as well. So let me go through those, and I'm going through them quickly because I've realised I talk a lot and the videos are very long, so I apologise for that. But here it goes. So I've got here my Valentino. I've got a River Island I got in London. I've got my Kilian Don't Be Shy. I've got Flower Bomb. This is the pink one. I've got Kilian Roses and Eyes. I've got My Way, Armani, Valentino. I've got Victor and Rolf Bonbon. I've got my one perfume that I have loved for years, and it's my ride or die, is the YSL Black Opium. I love it. I love the packaging. I love the scent. I love the coffee and vanilla in it. It is my absolute favorite, and yeah, love. So I've got Chanel Chance. Mine's the orangey color one. I love that Rihanna perfume there in the back. I've got another Black Opium, but the cherry one. I've got Mon Paris by YSL. I've got Coco Mademoiselle Chanel, but the Eau de Toilette. I've got Bright Crystal by Versace. I've got the Azzaro. And I've got the Prada Paradox, the refill, so still in the box there. One row down, we've got, so these are not perfumes, but this is from my working at MAC. I mean, I still work for MAC as well, but the Studio Fix, that is my all-time favorite. So yeah, because they've discontinued now and I'm sad. So I just have a little display of that. Okay, so I've got Armani C. I've got Ted Baker Body Mist, Rose and Orchid. I've got Jo Malone, Jasmine, Sambac, and Marigold. I love that one. I got that a few years ago. Mum gifted to me on my birthday and I still have it. It's so good. Erin by Estee Lauder, Valentino, Burberry, Lady Million, Paco Rabanne. I've got the Bella Vita by Guess. David of Cool Water, I really like that. I've got, of course, my another Black Opium in the box still because I've got one open. I've got an Electric Cherry as well. You might see there's a repeat of some perfumes because Mum likes it too, I like it too, so we've both bought it at different times. So I've got that. Dior Pure Poison, I got gifted that. Tom Ford Black Orchid. This is the Eau de Parfum. I've got Nyka's perfume in the back. Then down here we've got Armani C Passion. I've got Daisy, Marc Jacobs. I've got Valentino. Victoria's Secret Bombshell Sun Drenched. YSL Lieb. The, what's it called? Flowers or something like that. Flames and Flowers or something. I've got Hugo Boss. I've got the Armani. We've got another My Way. I've got the YSL Lieb EDT. I've got a Parfum here. I've got Erin Amber Musk. I've got Romance by Ralph Lauren. I've got Lancôme Tresor, I think that's called, in the back. I've got Perfect by Marc Jacobs and Prada Paradox, which I had the refill for above shelf, but I've got that there. Then I've got two Jo Malone perfumes here. And I've got some perfume cards in the back if somebody wants to have a sniff when they come over. I've got Kayali Citrus there. I've got the Versace. I've got a couple of Victoria's Secret Body Mist. I don't even know what this is. That's what I have. I don't know. It's called Intenso. I don't even know where I got it from. And I did not buy that, so I don't know. I've got a Dunhill Icon as well. I've got another YSL Black Opium in the back, my all-time favorite. A mini one. And then I've got perfume oils as well that I got in India last year. So let's take a look. This is the perfume collection that I have in this room. There might be one or two here and there in the car or around, but this is sort of the main setup here. I know it wasn't like a sit down, okay, this perfume has this notes video. I do know if I make that kind of video, it'll literally be 2 hours because I speak too much. But I can maybe do like a video on like a YouTube short or something on my like top 10 perfumes or top 5 perfumes, or even just a YouTube video. Let me know if you're interested in that, but I really hope that you enjoyed cleaning with me and looking at my perfume collection. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.